Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rika Aulia, student majoring in English education. Today I will read the result of my observation about teaching demonstration by Sister Mutiara Almoiza. Per observation worksheet, background information Mutiara Almoiza, course name English, material is telling the time. Level junior high school, number of students 27 students. Description of student, there are female students, total 27 students of Bani Tamim Islamic Junior High School, age ranging 13 and 4 until 14 years old, and English level is elementary. Objective, through telling the time learning activities, student can the first is identify the placement of numeral and hands-on an analog clock. Second is identify analog clock features. Third is understanding meaning of half fast, quarter to, and similar terms. And last is batching the difference between the hours and minutes hand. Skill focus on this learning is writing and speaking. Grammar used in this learning is preposition of times, vocabulary, long hand, jarum tangan, short hand jarum pendek, second hand jarum detik, hours jam, minutes menit, second detik, quarter seperempat, half setengah, kurang, pas lebih, o'clock untuk menunjukkan waktu jam tepat jarum panjang pada angka 12, alarm clock, jam beker, analog clock jam dinding, watch jam tangan. Lesson time 30 minutes, procedure warm up. Notes: the teacher opened class by greeting, asks condition of student, are they ready to learning today? Teacher began learning by praying, read Al-Basmalah together. Teacher asked today lesson and review yesterday lesson, cardinal number and ordinal number, but teacher haven't read attendance list. 4 minutes for presentation, the teacher began to explain about time and drawing a circle of clock on the whiteboard. The teacher explained about long hand, short hand, second hand. The teacher asked students to mention the number on the circle of clock. The teacher asked students to expression of the telling time by song and students follow it. 8 minutes for practice, the teacher making games. Firstly, teacher giving one paper for every group and give 1 minute to write the number of the time. And after that, the teacher asks one person of the group to write answer on whiteboard and other student with teacher correct answer. Evaluation assessment, there is no evaluation or assessment of this learning because the teacher has made a games with student before closing class. Reflection, did the teacher use communicative learning teaching? What action or activities did you observe to support your answer? Yes, the teacher used communicative language teaching. At the beginning of teaching, the teacher gives a number of questions, such as how are you student? Student readiness before learning today's lesson and reviews yesterday's lesson. In delivering the material, the teacher also makes a game, then asks one student from each group to answer the other and the other discuss whether the answer is correct or not. How much were the students involved in engaged with the lesson? All students are involved in the lesson because there are times when students are asked to correct the result of their friend's answer. Every time the teacher asks a question, the student must answer, and every teacher gives a question, the student answer it. What did you notice about teaching talk time versus student talk time? When I watched the video, teachers talk time versus the student talk time is balanced because every time the teacher asks a question, the student answer it right away. What was the warm up of the lesson? The first is teacher greeted the student at the beginning of class. Second, the teacher asked the student condition. The third is the teacher asked student readiness before starting lesson. Next is teacher reviews yesterday material, cardinal number and ordinal number. The last is the teacher mentioned today material, but the teacher does not check student attendance. How was the new material presented? The teacher draw a clock circle, then asks students to name the number on the clock, then introduce the meaning of half, quarter and similar drum, and ask students to follow her singing song about telling time. How did the learners practice the new material? Students practice the material with a game which is divided into 3 groups. The first student gets 3 pieces of paper. Then students write down the time and if the paper is collected back in the cup. After student take back the paper, and after that student take back the paper that has been exchanged to find answer. Then student gets 1 minute to discuss answer. After that, each group must give one person as a representative to write answer on the whiteboard and other student correct answer with the teacher. Was there an evaluation? There is no evaluation because the teacher only makes a game before closing. In this page, write any final comment you have about the lesson you observe. Final comment about this learning. The learning process looks active because it's not only the teacher who talks, but the student too. In the lesson, the teacher also invites students to sing about telling time and make an interesting game, so that many students are interested in participating, but unfortunately, during the learning process, the teacher is not neat because he doesn't wear an alma mater suit. The teacher also forget to check student attendance even though there are several empty student seats, and the teacher forget the evaluation at the end of lesson. Hopefully, all of the deviations don't happen again. And per observation report, the teacher is successful in using communicative language during the learning process, but the teacher forget the 2 learning steps, namely checking student attendance and evaluating learning outcomes. Because the 2 forgotten learning steps are not carried out, the teacher only knows the students who are present while not knowing the reason why some students are absent and evaluation. Maybe the teacher feel she knows enough about student ability in understanding the material by using a games, but doing exercise in the game is in groups, so that the teacher only know the understanding of student in groups only, not with individual. The teacher can handle aspect of teaching because before entering the material explanations, the teacher warms up by asking how the students are doing, the readiness of students to receive new material, and review yesterday's material, so that communicative language occurs between the teacher and student. When explain the material, the teacher also invites students to be involved in learning, such as the teacher asking students to name the number in the clock circle, inviting them to express telling time in a song, and making a question and answer games. According to the result of my observation regarding the classroom environment, as I was quite interested in the sitting position of the student, which was interesting enough to be face-to-face so that the teacher could see all of her students clearly. During the learning process, not only the teacher participates, but students also participate in it. In the learning sequence begins with a warm-up, such as asking news and so on, reviewing yesterday's material, continues the discussion between previous material and the material to be taught, explain material by inviting students to ask questions, inviting students to express telling time using song, and assessing student understanding and exercise in the form of games. According to observation, the English level is elementary. In my opinion, what needs to be improved? Please don't forget to check student attendance and evaluate student understanding in individual form regarding the material that has been taught. From the learning process, I was interested in the unique sitting position of the student and made a game explanation explaining the material. In order for learning to be more effective, the teacher must have prepared a lesson plan before starting teacher and pay attention, not miss the learning process. Maybe that's it for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.